Hello everybody, it's Full Electric Elevators back with yet another new video. Sorry I haven't been active for a while, but now I am. So, Snapchat? I'll look at that later. Alright, anyway. We're going to be testing, I haven't done this in a while, the first floor SA511's. There's the one on the wall next to the system sensor. And the other one is right here. And yeah, it fell off. It fell off in the closet, so might as well put it in the closet for now. It's just sitting on the ground. And there's the one up there. And we also have a special guest who also appeared in my room tour video on James Random Vlogs. If you didn't see that video, go check it out. Posted update. It is Ethan, aka the Smoke Alarm Fan.
What's up?
So there he is. We are going to be doing a test of some smoke alarms. I figured he would like this, so might as well join. This is where Lucy's cage used to be. I never posted a video about it, but she passed away, unfortunately, just before the World of James 2-year anniversary, like the day before, which stinks even more. I still can't get over that. So anyways, yeah, there's some more smoke alarms. So we'll be testing this one in my closet first. Testing. There it goes. Testing. Alright, lower your volume because this is going to get loud. Ow! My God. Those things are so loud. I cannot believe how loud those things are.
Warning, evacuate. Smoke in office. Evacuate.
Smoke in office. Evacuate. That was that one. And just so I don't blare the house again, the second test will be from here. But we're going to take it off the mounting bracket and we're going to hide it under the cover so that way it does not blare the house. Alright, place that right there. Shouldn't be that loud. Oh, what? The other one did not sound. That was weird. Hold on, let's try this again. Odd. There it goes. Okay. There we go. Now I got it to work. There it goes. So delayed. Alright, that time it worked.
Evacuate. Smoke in child's bedroom. Evacuate.
We like the first sort voices.
Yeah, I do. A lot.
Carbon monoxide in office. Evacuate 999 ppm. Please see manual. Yeah, we've been messing around with smoke alarm voices on Instagram stream. It was funny.
Yeah, it was.
Alright, yeah. Oh, it was the first floor SA511's. We're going to take the batteries out now. Just take that off. That's something I like about the first floor. It's in my collection. Because you could just, if you wanted to just take the batteries, you just boop, pull it out, and that's it. Another thing I like is that it came with dust covers. So what you can do with these is you can just place them on just like that. And there is that first floor. Pretty cool. So, that was today's video. If you all enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe and see more videos like this. And Ethan, you want to sign us out?
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to Ethan. Subscribe to me. And I will see you all. Oh, also follow our Instagram pages. His Instagram page is, I believe, the Smoke Alarm Fan 15, and mine is James's Random
Correct.
Vlogs. And mine is just James's Random Vlogs, because it's basically all my stuff combined. So, hope you all enjoyed, and want to say bye before I go?
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Hope you all enjoyed, and see you in the next one.